hit now into next. And then later on, it's going to be showing me the elements of my meeting. For example, when can people book this event? Let's say, for example, that they can start 60 calendar days into the future, or maybe 30 days or 20 days into the future. Now the duration should be the range that you want to do. Let's say, for example, only 15 minutes. We can set some custom hours if you wanted to, for example, like what are your different event type. So let's say, for example, that I wanted to enable this into my time zone of my country, and I have the list view, how it's going to be looking. I can change this into calendar view if you wanted to. So sometimes this one works a little bit more for you guys. So let's say, for example, that I can get started on the July 14. So here I wanted to change the actual date. And here I just want to enable only this ones. And what hours are you available? Let's say from 2 to 7:15. Hit now into apply. And there we go. So now I'm going to change this for list view, and this is how it should be appearing. There we go. It looks great. Want to add time before, let's say before the event, 15 minutes or only 5 minutes, and after the event we can add 5 minutes as well. So if you wanted to add additional rules for the availability, like show available start times or schedule conditions, maximum allow events per day, time zone displays, or make this a secret event, you can enable this if you wanted to. So after that, after you have filled all the information there, now we need to go into continue. And now what the event is, when can people book this event, and there we go. So lastly, we have additional options that we can add if you wanted to. Let's say, for example, invite questions, workflows, notifications and calendar installations, confirmation pages, collect payments. But in my case, I don't want to focus a lot on that. So if I have now this already been enabled, what I want to do is to go back. I'm going to click into the X mark, and let's go into my actual event. So I'm going to hit now into save. I'm going to go and copy my event link. And after I copy my link, I'm going to paste that in here and make sure that my Calendly of my account appears automatically. So as you can see, this calendar is currently only available because I have changed the actual prices and all that, but I can just edit this if I wanted to. Let's see, for example, here into edit. Check it out that we can now use the date and time of our actual meeting for myself. Hit into next and into your email, your name, and show everything that to prepare, of course. Really easy, right? So now lastly, I'm going to be showing you the availability. The availability is going to be helping us to set up how many working hours we have available. Let's say, for example, that I have my working hours from Monday to Friday from 7 to 9 p.m. And I have my date override. So this one should be helping me to set it up my weekly hours. Let's say, for example, that if someone wants to book here into, let's say, for example, into Monday, and from today, I'm going to have offline all the Mondays. You wanted to edit those directly from your availability, but not directly into your actual event. So if I work into working hours, let's say that I'm not available anymore into Monday, change it, saves it. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to reload the page and check it out that Monday are now not enabled into my actual date. But this is how we can use the actual Calendly. Really easy application. Actually, you wanted to make some integrations here from Calendly from your account into different places. For example, you wanted to add your Slack account, for example, just hit there. This one should be taking you directly into Slack, and just enable the actual element directly from your actual Slack to Calendly, right? Like really easy stuff in order to get started with. So with that being said, guys, this is how we can actually get started from the actual integration in Calendly directly into your actual account of Google account. So once again, if you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And with that being said, guys, I will hopefully see you next time.